Hi there, my name is Adrian and I'm a practice solutions consultant here at Healthengine. I work alongside my colleague Colby, and if you were to make an inquiry to discuss our integrated products with Gentu, you'll be speaking to either one of us. So today I'm going to be giving you a quick preview of Healthengine's integrated features that are included in the Gentu Specialist Suite product as well. The first of the features is our online booking system, which will give you the ability to publish your appointments online for patients to book in real time. And the calendar from Healthengine is going to be synced with your Gentu calendar as per our integration. Now, if you are a practice that isn't too comfortable with publishing appointments online, we also do have a version which will allow you to still replicate the facade of an online booking system, but instead of them making a booking, the patient will actually be leaving their contact details for the patient to call them back, triage them, and then book in their appointment as well. Once we unlock our suite of appointment types, you can see here that a couple of our appointments have deposits available, and that's because Healthengine has introduced a online payment software which is designed to help mitigate patient non-attendance and just more so secure the appointment so that you don't have any last-minute appointment gaps filling up, therefore poking holes in your revenue as well. So you have two options when you are creating your appointment types, which is to have either, well, actually three options: no payment at all, a full payment up front, or also a deposit payable. And that deposit amount is whatever you want to put in. It's at your discretion as well. We also have the ability to create pop-ups for certain appointment types as well, which is all up to you. And you can add in customizable content. And this is just so that you can provide some instructions or advice to the patients to help guide them as to what appointment type is right for them and help mitigate the wrong appointment being booked in as well. In addition to this, you can add a referral uploader to your online booking system, which has been a big hit with our specialist practices as well. This will give you the ability to request information on the referring practice and practitioner and have the patient upload a copy of the referral. And the good thing is, as per the integration that we have with Gentu, when a patient uploads the referral, it's going to go directly into their file in Gentu as a PDF. And then we take some details from the patient to book in the appointment along with the payment. The details from the patient will be used to create a new file in Gentu if the appointment is booked in, as you can see here. Otherwise, if there is an existing patient file, the appointment will just be slotted into there as well. The second major feature of ours is our forms. We have the ability for you to create customized forms, and we do provide some things like templates, for example, which you can use to start building your form, for example. It's a very, very user-friendly forms builder where you just simply drag and drop the style of answer you want, and then you actually name your question as well. Very simple software, but we also do provide you with the new patient form, and this is what the biggest part is of the all-over product, because Gentu currently doesn't have the ability to provide online forms for their practices, so this is where we've stepped in to help. Now, this new patient form is going to be provided to all Gentu practices, which will be sent out automatically for new patients, and it's your standard universal new patient form, which will take details on Medicare, private health insurance, and just more so basic information on the background of the patient, as well as smoking, alcohol, and you can also include your consents in this form here as well. As per the integration that we have with Gentu, when a patient submits this form, all the details from this form will actually update the patient's file automatically as well in real time. And for both new patient forms and custom forms, when that is submitted, a copy of the form will automatically go to the patient's file as a PDF, and then also a copy will go into your correspondence inbox. And here's a bit more of an example as to what the forms look like here. As you can see here, it's quite structured in terms of the categories on the forms as well. I just done a quick version of the form as well, so there's a lot of information missing, but this is just a bit more of a general guide as to how they look as well. But everything is fully integrated with Gentu, and the new patient form will fully override the patient's file and update all the details as well. And then finally, we also have a waitlist management system, which I understand practices from Gentu currently have access to this as well. Ours is just a little bit more automated because we actually have to put in a date in which the patient will be removed from the waitlist, which will therefore help you not really have an outdated list of patients on the waitlist as well. But in addition to this, our version of the waitlist will not have you calling patients and chasing them up, whereas you'll actually be sending an SMS to your patients with a link for them to claim the appointment via a URL as well. So instead of you having to actually call them and chasing them up, they're now coming to you. You can send an SMS to a few patients, and first one in, it's more of like a first come, best dressed kind of scenario where basically the first one to claim the appointment, it's all theirs as well. But this is basically a short preview of the products. Please feel free to inquire with Healthengine, and myself or Colby can provide you with a bit more of a comprehensive overview of the product as well. Thank you, and looking forward to hearing from you.